Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I'm going to show you how I made this shirt for my son using the Make Market transfer sheets for dark fabrics. Now this I got from Michael's, and this one, the brand that I use is the Make Market brand, and there are 5 sheets that comes in it, and it is for dark fabric. So I got this design as a free image of design bundles. I made a similar shirt for my other son. It says, "I'll always be your biggest fan." You're going to need a light grip mat. This is a light grip mat because the transfer sheet, it's very thin. It's like paper. So a light grip mat is best for this transfer. You're also gonna need your heat press, and you're also going to need your Cricut cutting machine. So if that is something you're interested in, just continue watching. Okay, we are in Cricut Design Space. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go over here where it says upload, and I'm going to upload the design that I'm going to use. So the one that I'm gonna use is this one that says, "I'll always be your biggest fan," and I'm gonna click on it and upload it to my canvas. When I upload it to my canvas, it's gonna come in very big, very, very big. And if you look over here, it's giving me this exclamation mark. It's telling me that it's too big. So let's see what's the appropriate size that we could use for an 8.5 by 11 paper. Okay, so it's telling me that the size that I need to use for this is 7.44 inch by 7 inches. I can go ahead and auto resize it, which is what I'm going to do. Okay, so since I'm doing a print then cut, what I want to do is I really don't want to put an offset on this, because what will happen if when I put the offset on it, the Cricut is gonna go ahead and cut out every little details, especially the stars and everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over here and I'm gonna grab a shape. I'm gonna grab a square, and I'm going to open my square, or I'm gonna click on that little key. It's a lock on that little lock, and I'm gonna resize this square to this size right here of the design, which is 7.43 by 7. Okay, so 7.43 by 7. Okay, and what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna lock the shape. I'm gonna change this square to a white, and I'm going to send it to the back. I'm going to take my design now and I'm going to put it on it. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and I am going to first align, go up to align where it says align up here, and I'm gonna center it. After I center it, I'm gonna go down here and flatten it. So now I have one complete design. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna hit make it. So since I'm using the transfer sheet for dark fabric, you are not going to mirror this design. No, I'm not using sublimation. I'm using my inkjet printer. So I'm going to press continue. I'm going to send it to my printer to be printed. And I am going to leave the bleed on. Since I'm going to cut it out, I'm going to leave the bleed on, and I'm going to use system dialog. Okay, so I'm gonna leave my bleed on. I'm gonna change my machine to my inkjet printer, which is this one. I'm gonna use system dialog and I'm gonna press print. Matte presentation paper. And I'm going to choose best. Then I'm gonna press OK. Then I'm gonna press print. Okay, so after it's printed, I will send it to my Cricut to be cut out, and then I'll show you what to do next. Okay guys, so I have my dial set to paper, and I'm going to put my design on a light grip mat, and I'm going to press the flashing arrow. Then I'm gonna press the C to cut it out, and then I'm gonna cut this out. I'm gonna see how it cuts on the paper setting. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I cut out the design. This is what it looks like. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna prepare my shirt. So this is the shirt that I'll be using. It's the small heavy gildan cotton shirt for boy, youth shirt. The first thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take off the tag. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna first lint roll my shirt. Okay. Then I'm going to heat my shirt to take out some of the wrinkles. I have my heat press set to 350 degrees. That is based on the instruction that they gave. Based on the instruction that they gave on the instruction manual, it says we should preheat or heat press to 350 degrees. Now what you're gonna do, you're going to take this, you're gonna take off the design. You're gonna be careful now. Peel it off like this. And what you're gonna do, you're going to come down about 2 spaces from the top. Okay. And you're going to try to find the center. This looks like the center of it. And what you're gonna do, in the sheets, it came with parchment paper, but I have parchment paper that I can use. So it comes with a piece of parchment paper like this. Okay, so I'll use the parchment paper that it comes with. And it says, so try to match it up so that it is straight. Let me find the midpoint of the shirt. I think it's easier that way. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna find the midpoint of the shirt. Okay. You're gonna come down 2 spaces. You're going to take the design, okay, you could also turn it so that you can find the middle, right there, okay. And then you're going to take your parchment paper that it comes with, it came with this parchment paper, ensure that it is straight. Okay, ensure that it is straight. and you're going to press this for 350 degrees for, it says 60 seconds to 120 seconds. Okay? Alright, so just gonna go over it for another 15 seconds just to ensure that it is adhere. Okay guys, this is the result of the shirt that we have just made. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and let me know if you are going to try or if you have ever tried using transfer sheets from Make Market. Until we meet again, I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.